At a press conference held in Shillong on the 27th of April 2023, the members of a men's rights group, or the Syngkhong Rympei Thymmai, had expressed their dissatisfaction to the remarks made by the chief executive member of the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council on the issuance of scheduled tribe certificates to a category of citizens of Meghalaya. Addressing the press conference, the president of the Syngkhong Rympei Thymmai, said that the organization condemns and opposes the remarks made by Chief Executive Member of the KHADC, Titos Khan, and a member of the KHADC in charge of Ilaka on the non-issuance of Scheduled Tribe Certificate, where, as per the KHADC Khasi Social Customs Lineage Act 1997, children adopting their father's surname will not be granted scheduled tribe status, while those belonging to a Khasi mother but a non-tribal father are issued a scheduled tribe certificate as they adopt the mother's surname.
Kajithu jungi penwan hagani press conference kalong penpensai pada pat penpandrem jur yang jengkel tho MDC ke Ilaka pat kumjuru yang suyam ke KHADC kabalapau hakikat khabar social media hakidis ni ketamut hakakan boy tarik bulan April arja mulai pada ka absau tarik bulan April arja mulai halur kaphang pendu senor ST certificate ya ki Khasi ki baijat syaupa habaju kopor lengba usi yang ke KHADC hakitu ki khabar social media ulah betharu ya kita ki traditional heads lani rambasno ban khangna ban issue track certificate ya ki ba ai ya bijat ka thong syaupa katung ga section lai bakar jongga KHADC Khasi Social Custom Lineage Act 1997 te halo gani ni pengesai nilai songkan ki bani perhat ni gari kam bakta magyong bakta ri dalong riu man riu kam tam ya ki khon Khasi ki wa aja chukpa